So, I did a guitar test with my lingot tuner in Rust just last video, and this was done within barely 2 hours. I'm very impressed with Claude, able to translate C code right into Rust, according to the specifications given. So Claude is doing good. Um, and I'll just say thank you. I tested it with my guitar, and it seems to be able to tune even with the CLI. Yeah, so you can see it can even like kind of pick out the fundamental harmonics within my voice, and it's giving me the tuner based on the fast Fourier transforms. Oh, I'm humming an E or D sharp, and that's quite cool. So yes, I've verified it on a real guitar, as you have seen. So the whole signal chain is proven now from config and scale signal processing, audio capture, call loop verified now on the real guitar. So the whole signal chain is proven now, which de-risks the rest. Layer 5 is just rendering this stream into the GUI. Okay, so let's handle the layer. Let's put the claude MD update and differentiate the mutex in the C version versus message passing in the Rust version. Tag the sample with renegotiation for layer 4. We are running out of tokens now. All right. Ah. Okay, so it says now that I've used 91% of my session limit. Now I'm going to push it to the max. Claude tuner in CLI readme done. Okay. So that's what happens when you use Claude to the maximum. So I'm going to just finish using these tokens, and then we'll call it a day. It's about good time to have a break anyway. This was a fun session of vibe coding. All right. Okay, let's do layer 5 and separate and differentiate the existing CLI tuner from the lingot GUI tuner. Name the GUI tuner lingot tuner and the CLI tuner lingot tuner CLI. All right. So yes, You can see vibe coding does work. My brain is not exceptionally tired out. 2 hours down, and we have a lingot rewrite in Rust all done already. And it's functional, it's working. I'm very impressed at what Claude can do. Yeah, I guess this is functionality we'll have to be used to in the coming years. Yeah. Oh, I'm very happy with this rewrite. Mm. Lost 94%. Uh, I feel like, if you watch the first Iron Man movie, Iron Man's running out of energy in his arc reactor or something like that. Feels somewhat similar to that. So, all right, we'll just see how long Claude can keep up before calling it a day. Let's see. Country road. So I'll just treat you guys. I'll see whether this works. Yeah, so yeah, I really like music, so here it goes. Yeah, I'm just gonna play songs while waiting for Claude to do its work. And yeah, oh, a buffer underrun, okay. I'll underrun or overrun occurred. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Life is over. Young mountains growing like a breeze. I'm trying to you West Virginia, take yeah, so the good test. I don't know if this copyright's gonna make it hard to monetize or whatever, It's really for fun, this kind of thing. So I'm very happy with what's going on. Is this tuner still working? Okay. Right. Let's try lingot tuner CLI this time. Okay, let's see how much usage is there. Cost. I think that about does it. Hold on. I run lingot tuner CLI now. Okay. Oh, the CLI won't build until you fix the GUI code. And get the GUI module, please. Okay, I think we won't be getting too much more out of this session because we are running out of tokens. %98%. Okay, so to do this, run cargo run bin lingot tuner CLI. Release. Okay, hello. Right, now it works. I think that's it for today. Lingot tuner we are running out of tokens. Just put the run cargo run instructions for the tuner in release, for the CLI tuner in release mode, and put this in the README. Leave the GUI fix for later. Yeah, because I don't want the thing to run out of tokens halfway. And then we can't do it in Git. Yeah, I've used 99% of my token session limit. I'm going to push this to Git using lazy Git. CLI working, GUI in progress. Right. And then just for fun, let's see. I want to publish this on cargo crates. I don't know whether that can work. Lingot. Yeah, so lingot. Cargo publish lingot. All right, we need to publish the library on cargo first. Oh, my authentication failed. But anyway, I will put this on cargo, and I'll just call it a day. We have run out of tokens. Yeah, so we won't be able to do any of these things, but just for fun. I want to see what happens when I was thinking of what will happen if we run out of tokens and then we just keep pushing it, but I think okay, that's not necessary for this video. Okay, I'll stop recording. Thanks for watching. See you.